Then I'm gonna use one of those Q-tip that have vitamin E on it. And hi everyone, bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to Fashion Portal. If it's your first time to tuning in, you are very welcome. Sit back, relax and enjoy. In today's video, we're gonna talk about our teeth. So I received this product, which is a kit to whiten your teeth. It's a whitening lightning. You know, when you go to the dentist to have your teeth clean, they're using this light, this blue light on your teeth. You have the same one inside, and you have this pen. So I received this product complimentary from Gerard Cosmetic. All opinions are 100% my own. You will find all information in the information bar down below. So if you want to register to Octoly and get a free product, now is the time. I never tried any lightning product before. That's gonna be my first time. I used to have a very white teeth, but I love tea. So of course now they're turning a different color. They're getting yellowish. So we're gonna see how this product work. I'm gonna show you the different item that comes with the kit, and I'm gonna try it and we're gonna see if it works. So the kit claim to give you whiter teeth in just 20 minutes. Let's test it. I'm gonna try it and give you my opinion. We're gonna see if it works. So this pen, it's also a super booster whitening pen. So you apply it on your teeth and within 60 seconds your teeth are whiter. So today I'm not gonna try the pen, I'm gonna try the light, and we'll see the difference. So let's get into the test. So this kit comes with 3 wipes. So you also have a gel syringe, which is the actual treatment. Let me take it off so you can see it. So inside you do have the product, which is the actual treatment. So you also have this little brush to brush the treatment you have when you have the product on your teeth. You also have this little container. I think that's where you put the product to measure it. We also have this, which is the mini handheld LED light, just like the one that you can find at your dentist. And this is the mini handheld LED light. So it also comes with this wheel. This wheel is going from 1 to 16, 1 being the whitest and 16 being the more yellow or the yellowest. So I'm gonna use it to determine where I am. The way you use it, you come next to your mouth. So you turn the wheel until you find the match. So in my case, I'm between 7 and 8. So you turn until you see the color that matches your actual color. So right now on a wheel, I'm between 7 and 8. Which is when the teeth start to be yellow. So the next step is say on the instruction manual to break the seal and to pour it out in that teeny tiny container. So I'm gonna do that, and then for now on, no more talking. voiceover taking over. So I'm taking off the seal, and it also say that once you start using it, you have to keep it in the fridge. Remember, there is 3 treatment. So let me do just that, removing the seal. Oh, it's sticky. And I put whatever quantity I need. Next step, I'm gonna use the whitening lightening teeth wipe to make sure that the surface of my teeth is very dry. Then I'm gonna use one of those Q-tip that have vitamin E on it, and then put on my gum. With this wipe on my teeth, you can see how yellow those teeth are. Look at the difference. Now I'm applying the Q-tip with the product on the gum. It's meant to stop any sensitivity that you may have. With the little brush, I'm applying the gel on my teeth. Now I'm ready for the light. The light's supposed to stay on for 20 minutes, so I'm gonna use my timer and wait for the 20 minutes to pass. So my timer is on. While you're doing that, you have 20 minutes to do whatever you want, and then come back later or dance. Why not? I'll admit I was wrong. What else can I say, girl? Can't you be my head and not my heart? This been going on. You've been creeping around on me while you're calling me baby. Cause this been going on. You've been acting so shady. I've been feeling it lately. So time is almost up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the product, and we finally gonna see the result. I'll be right back. So when I start the treatment, I was between the 7 and the 8, and after the treatment I'm around 6. I was expecting a bigger change. It's not bad, but I really was expecting some whiter teeth. Okay, so I guess there is 3 treatments, as I say, in a box. I guess I'm gonna have to go through each of them. Hold on, everyone. Not so fast. I have something to show you. So on day 2, I used the product again, and my teeth went 1 shade lighter. On day 3, it was even whiter. Take a look at those pictures. So the first picture, as you can see, is the picture before the treatment. Then you have the result for treatment 1, treatment 2, and the last result for treatment 3. As you can see, it's getting better and better. I really love this product. Right now my teeth are white, and remember, if in 6 months you want a boost, you still have the pen. That's what it is for. So I love it, and I will say that it keeps its promises. If you decide to use it, be patient. If you have no discoloration, I think the treatment will work immediately. But if you, like me, you're drinking tea, you're drinking coffee, you have to be really patient. You have to go to 3 treatments to see results. For those of you who want to try it, I have a promo code for you to save money, and the link of their store is on the information bar down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time, stop, take a minute and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on my next video.